Alright guys, on today's episode of Beamer Problems. Yo guys, how's it going? It's Marv from Everything Beamer back with yet another video. In today's video, I'm kind of having some problems with my battery. We're going to try to figure it out now. Just in case I already bought a new battery from Advanced Auto Parts. It's only $169. You bring the old battery back to them and you get a discount of $20 for a core charge. So just, if you need a new battery, that's where you get it from. That's where I got mine from. And with that being said, we're going to get straight into it. I'm pretty sure it's the battery because it's not starting, and it only starts when I get a jump. At first I thought it was maybe the starter, but the starter wouldn't jump at all. So yeah, it's completely dead and it keeps losing juice. I don't know where from, but it keeps on happening. I turn the car off, it won't come back on, and that's a huge problem right there. So we're gonna fix that today. If you're having this problem, it's an easy fix. All it really is battery. I don't have any codes going through my Beamer, so no Beamer code like that. It won't start, and it has to be the battery. So last night, this happened to give me the same problems when I got off from work. All I really did was jump box, use my jump box, start charging it, and it started right up. But this morning it happened again, and when it happened this morning, I knew something was up, I knew something was weird. I had to figure out what it was. I came to the conclusion that it was the battery. I'm happy it's just the battery because it could have been different things. I knew it wasn't an alternator because if it was an alternator, things would have been, it would have started, but it was just cut off. It was like cut off after like maybe 10 seconds, maybe, it's just completely shut off. And it couldn't be a starter because if it was a starter, it wouldn't start at all. It's when you give it sound. So yeah, that's that. I'm about to put it on now. I'm gonna show you guys what I come up with. All right guys, here's a new battery. It's right here. I'm gonna install it right now, but first I'm gonna try something. Hopefully it works. It worked on my old 535i build, so I'm just gonna double check the terminals, and hopefully everything goes well from there. If it's just the terminal is a little loose, then I'm just gonna tighten it back up with a 10mm and call it a day, and hopefully that's the problem. But if not, I'm just gonna have to obviously put the new battery in. So let's get started. Let's go. Okay guys, so the first thing you have to do is take these two little metal parts out, making sure it's loose. I use a flathead for it, so just pull it out, make sure it's loose, make sure all that's good. Next, we're going to get this. This is a 10mm. We're going to disconnect these. This is also positive. You're going to touch both of these right here. After that, we should be good to go and let this come out. Let's start right now. Let's go. By the way, mine didn't come with a bracket here, guys. So if you guys do have an M3 of any sort, E92, E90, E93, there usually is a metal bracket here that's covering that. That's just a 10mm also, so just be aware for that. Right now, I'm about to put on some gloves because this might be a little acidy, and I don't want any acid on my fingers. Believe it or not, man. Believe it or not, hear me out. But the fuse back here on the negative wasn't even hooked up correctly. It was still a little loose. Like somebody went inside there and tried to change the battery before. So all I did was put the 10mm, try to screw it back in. I can start changing the battery. Once I started doing that, I seen this light come on. I'm like, hold on, wait a minute. So once I seen the light come on, I go in my car and it started right up. Believe it or not, guys, started right up. So just a little FYI, before you guys go buy a battery, make sure all your connections are flush and that all your connections are good going to the battery, or you just go end up like this. I bought a whole new battery basically for no reason. So let's keep that in mind, guys. Like I said, I'm here to help you guys out. So whatever questions you guys need from me, I will answer them below. If you have any other questions, personal questions, shoot me a DM. I'll leave the app below. You guys will see it. But yeah, that simple fix was causing me a whole lot of issues, and I didn't know what was going on. It makes so much sense now. Like, honestly, it really does. So, video is relatively short, so I'm just going to do everything else. So I'm just going to wash my car. I know you guys see the dust on the rotors. I'm probably gonna get some new rotors soon. Thinking about getting slotted rotors, I'm not sure. But this shit looks fire, right? This channel's gonna blow up, man. Just give it a couple more years, man, or maybe even months. Only time will tell when this channel is gonna blow up for real. I'm just waiting on that day. I appreciate all my supporters for real, man. I really do appreciate you guys. And with that being said, I'm gonna be out. I'm about to go to Walmart real quick, you know what I'm saying, with the M3. Then I'm out. I appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
If you like, I like Birkin bags, I buy. And she's gone. Yeah, I might do it all night long. I got a shawty.